Lincolns are so much better than Chevys. Right, mate, how are you feeling?
Oh.
I've started to feel nervous now.
Oh.
All the crew's here, look, all the family. It's not, I haven't driven it. All right, come on then, let's do it. Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm just going to get your reaction.
Okay.
Because I'm trying to do this professionally.
I'm trying to keep you cool now.
All right. You ready?
I'm going to jump around like they do.
I don't know whether I should be filming you or the car, or a bit of both. All right.
That is low. That is really low. Oh, mate, look at that.
Can I have a walk around it, mate?
Oh, mate.
It's cleaned up pretty well as well, man. Like better than I thought it would.
Oh,
look how clean it is. And I feel it. Feel how that's so I've not done any polishing, no clay barring. That's just like a non-contact clean, that is. The only thing that's it is the mitt and the drying cloth. Open the boot.
Oosh. Look at that. Look at that.
Oosh.
Oosh.
Yes, bruv.
Like I say, I'm trying to contain not acting like a child.
So you can actually, it's one of those, because a lot of people do their own installs and they never open the boot because it's just thrown in there, isn't it?
Yeah.
But I want to try and do it so everywhere you go, you want to open the boot and show off what's in there. Right, so let me just run you through it.
Yeah.
So it is 48 volt front, 24 volt rear. So that's the 12 volt, and then that's your 36 to make 48.
Okay.
So that's your first of the bank of 4, and then this is a 24 volt bank for the rear.
Okay.
Front pump 48, rear pump 24. This isn't a wire, this is bogus, there's nothing in that. It's just to make it look symmetrical.
Oh.
The only thing that you'll adjust in here is your slow downs. So if you close both of those little taps up, it now won't drop.
Okay.
So if you lift it up and hit the dump switch, now it won't go down.
Yeah.
You don't want to open them a lot. If you open them fully, it will just smash to the ground. And with yours being with yours being almost laying frame,
Yeah.
when it does hit the ground, it'll smash the frame.
Yeah.
I think you'll have to do something with that exhaust. You're not going to be hopping it, are you?
Not yet.
I've topped up that because that leaked a bit when I was messing about with the steering. I've topped up your water because that's got a bit of a leak. I haven't checked any other fluids. Your battery's rudimentary strapped down because there's not a lot else I could do with it in the short term. It wants a steel tray. The battery tray is the inner wing. There's no steel, it's just like floppy, flexible plastic. So you can't strap to anything. I will check. Your lead hammers in the back of that. I did tighten them with a lead hammer, but I'll just use Pat's tool now just to tighten them up. And then well, you can drive it out. Yeah, hit a switch. Hit a switch, so put your disconnect together.
You've got to give it a twist or what? Or is it just push?
You push it in and then you twist it and it'll lock together.
Ah.
What do you do as a job? It's engineering based. And then you can hit the switches from out of the car, and the switches are, you wired them, so they should work.
I wired them a long time ago, and I'm trying to remember which one's which.
No, you sent me the picture of the switches and what they do, and
Let me try
they do that. So you've got a front up and down, a rear up and down, and then you've got dumps that you've got side to side, and you've got the 2 rear corners.
Yeah, right. I think this is. How hard is it?
It will, I'm pretty sure. Just need to check that the brake lines don't overextend.
Yeah.
I think on 12 it would have ripped the brake lines apart. Just try it on the rear and we'll see what it... Go on.
Keep going, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's full lock and the brake lines are fine. It is stock other than no shocks.
Yeah.
It's got anti-roll bars front and rear. Yeah, like normally when you don't extend the arms, you get like a horrible like positive camber, but this one isn't. In fact, at full drop, sorry, negative camber. At full drop on this, you get a little bit of positive. It looks really nice. The exhaust on it's incredible. But Lincolns are so much better than Chevys. That'll do.
Oh, look at that.